YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video. Supposed to be doing one every month, but kind of failed. Also, ignore the extra chin I'm carrying today. I'm 4 days post wisdom teeth surgery removal. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but we're just going for a little bit of a hike, so I thought I'd take you with us. Sounds fun. We're with the Trails and Ales crew, wherever they call themselves.
And I don't wanna wait for this. Just wanna go away from it. Is a beat one, just play. I'm not a liar in the game. I got a fire at your ship and I be made. Just play, play.
I'm feeling pretty dizzy, nearly fell over up there, but I am really glad I came out, even though I'm not supposed to be technically. It was only a gentle walk, so it's not anything too bad. Hope you're enjoying the extra chin. I can say I'm really enjoying it.
Just play.
So this is Roger Ramjet. If you've watched their channel, you may have seen him before, but this is his first time on mine.
Happy trails.
Happy trails. There you go.
I got my tentacles out tonight.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, anyway, you're gonna wonder why. Never thought I could get you back. Game is always on. I know that signs, it's a beat of one. It is a beat of one. Just play.
What do we think of the trail so far?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Great day.
It is. It's really nice out. It's quite warm. My dad's just made me a tomato soup. It's not really.
You put it on, it's actually got like a
Here,
red
we're having a bit of a
tail behind
brew
it.
and chill. It's
But
starting to rain a bit, but that's alright.
900, I think. 900 lumens.
Yeah, it's amazing.
That's pretty good.
It is a beat of one. Just play. I'm not a liar in the game. I got a fire at your ship and I'll be made. Just play, play.
How beautiful it is around here. Hiya.
Oh, there it is.
Yay!
Suckers.
Yeah, suckers. Where's the camera? Yeah, it's on sports mode. Holy crap. Just took about 20
Man, he's
pictures.
strong though.
Now it's just save the other fish now.
Hey, bud.
Yeah, he's a sucker.
Yeah, there's another one there, Roger.
Yeah, right there, do you see him?
Oh, yeah.
There he is. He's a big boy as well, isn't he? Yeah, suckers. Well, people. The Chinese love them.
Yeah, I'd say that's kind of stuck there. A little bit. It's pretty well. Yeah, you are a bit off-road, mate.
One of those water holes. You don't know how deep it is to get it.
What are we talking here?
Get asked what everyone's thoughts are.
Isn't that the good stuff?
Oh yeah, just sherry.
So that's everybody's thoughts.
Well, thanks for today. It was really awesome.
Had an absolutely perfect day.
Wonderful, good.
And it didn't rain on us.
It didn't. It spat a little bit, but it didn't rain, so that was good.
Yeah. The weather held up. I thought it was going to be raining, that's what the forecast said, so got lucky again.
We did.
Yeah.